Here is a perfect trading strategy for IQ option using the IQ pulse detector, which detects trend reversals for 1 minute. We have achieved positive results with our recent trades by trading OTC currencies using this indicator. I will show you how to trade using this strategy. Make sure to use a 5-second candle time frame with Heiken Ashi candles for a smooth trading experience and a higher winning rate. Take a look at this. Our IQ pulse detector got a breakthrough here. Our yellow line goes down and already reached the green support line. With its maximum support level, we have higher chance for the trend to go up for the next seconds. We have detected shifting pattern here, and as well as this spot here, this trend might go up. Let's trade higher on it. Best to practice this method first on demo account, before trading on a real one. The trend goes up, and got good trading result on that. Another good trading spot here. We detected an uptrend spot here, confirming that the yellow line crossed the middle white or base line. And we see that there's a reversal pattern here, and might have a high winning rate if we trade this going up. Let's go trade higher on it. It looks like the trend goes down, and got 50-50 situation here. Luckily the trend goes up and got our winning trade on that. Let's trade with another pair. Let's trade low volatility asset, for that it is easy to trade with its trend flow. We will trade with some popular OTC pair. Make sure to trade only that you can afford to lose. An opportunity to trade here. As we can see, the trend already goes up. If we trade here, expecting an upward move, this might not work since our trend is already strongly upward. Additionally, we do not have a reversal pattern close to this early signal. We will try another pair. A good spot here to trade going up. The yellow line got crossed with our middle line. And as we can see here, there might be a trend forwarding going up. A reversal bars here. Let's go trade higher on it. It looks like we were on the lose on this market. The trend goes down, and got lose on this trade. We're unlucky on it. Let's find another good spot to trade. A good crossing situation here. The yellow line crossed the middle white line, and our candle bar here got reversal pattern for the trend to shift uptrend. Let's go trade for it for 1 minute going higher, hoping that we will win on this. And got good trading result on that trade. A downtrend position here, trend goes down and the yellow line crossed with the middle line. Let's trade down on it. The trend goes up, and a losing trade on that. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get latest IQ option strategies and get the latest IQ option scripts from ultimatefxtools.com. A downtrend position here, hoping that the trend will go down for the next minute.